This is a battle. Making a swishy noise. It'll be Tornado Herculia versus Ray Unicorno. Do you want to show your day?
Sure.
There you go. Now, 3, 2, 1, shoot!
Let's shoot.
Oh, snap! Oh, snap. You're in the first round. First one to make 3 points wins. 3, 2, 1, shoot! I really want the Striker Stadium. Unicorno Stadium. Stadium is pumping. Looks like it's gonna be a tie.
No, look at your big.
Look at yours. Stop.
No.
No. No. No. Oh, it's a tie.
I need to tighten my thing up. But we'll do that later.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Holy crap! Holy bonitos.
What's happened here?
I don't know.
I like old Beyblades. I don't like these new ones.
3, 2, 1. Can't handle it?
No, I just don't like these new ones. I like the old ones better.
They break very easily.
Shut up. Just because we bought ours at Dollarama.
Just buy the fake ones. And there we go, I win.
You know what?
It's still a tie. Poor sport.